Hello friends, in this video we are going to be discuss about how to use ITestResult interface in TestNG with the Selenium method for generating extend report. In my part 4 video, okay, here also you can see ITestResult interface. This video I have explained with this TestNG example which we have seen under extendreport.com. So using this TestNG example only, we have to understand how we can implement ITestResult for understanding the base level. Okay. So now I hope you guys understand how we can define this ITestResult. What is the purpose of we are using ITestResult? Everything I explained in part 4 video, which is extend report part 4 video. Okay, you just go through it. Now using the same TestNG example, I'm going to be implement Selenium method. Here you can see we didn't find any Selenium WebDriver here. Okay, simply we have defined a TestNG method and we have to call this ITestResult, right? Go back to Eclipse now. So I have created three different classes. First I'm going to be open base example. Here you can see this base example. Inside base example only I defined a file path where I'm going to be generate the extend report, and second things I already defined ITestResult interface. So you just go through the part 4 video. What is the purpose of we are using ITestResult? Everything I clearly explained at there. Okay, please go through that before coming to this part 5 video. Okay, so come to the extend manager. Here we have to provide the system info. So, okay, what is the purpose of we have to who are going to be run these cases, what is the environment, what is the version, everything we have to provide it here. Okay, come to the single log test. Here only we have already defined test method. Okay, here already we defined past test, initial fail test, right? But here you can find there is no Selenium WebDriver method here. We didn't interact with any WebDriver interface. Now I'm going to be interact with the Selenium WebDriver in this video. Okay, so I just to keep on this base example extend manager alone. Okay, I don't want to touch anything, but anyway inside extend manager I'm going to be add Selenium method demo. This is what I added for this video. So come to this one. I have to copy this class file, have to paste it. I'm going to be rename this one single log test Selenium method. Okay, now go to the new class which is we have to create it. I have to, okay, you can leave it this two method already what we have to define it. So after this class I'm going to be enter create new method which is public void Selenium method. Have to define test annotation. So here I'm going to be provide I'm going to be interact with WebDriver. So for that we have to launch the browser driver.get and driver.get those things I'm going to be defined here. Okay, so I have the set of code in my previous package. I'm going to be copy that one. Okay, copy. I'm going to be close this one. Maybe paste now. So now I have to define everything, but anyway I'm going to be declared WebDriver as a global one. So driver I make it as static. Okay, so now all the warning error has been gone. Now you can see I'm going to be launch the browser and I'm going to be check the title. It will be equals Android or not. If it is not, make it as fail. If it is pass, it should be pass. Okay, this is what I updated log status pass and fail. So here I updated Chrome driver path. You can find this Chrome driver. I keep on under test resource There you can find one more folder, drivers. Inside drivers you can find chrome driver.exe. Okay, this is the path I have updated here. Okay, now perfectly we have updated Selenium method with normal TestNG method. Okay, now I'm going to be run this one. Okay, simply have to done copy paste. I didn't add anything. Okay, now I'm going to be execute this one, but before execute this one, go to this base class. I'm going to be rename it this test report because already we have three different extent report. So for avoiding confusion, I'm going to be add Selenium. So now, so what class I'm going to be run now? That report name should be extend ITestResult Selenium. Okay, this is for only for the Selenium method. Now I'm going to be execute this one. Chrome driver has started. That's it. I'm going to be close because I didn't call anywhere driver.close. I done manually. So now I'm going to be refresh this project. Refresh. You have seen extend ITest result selenium.html. Now open this report. Here you have seen still you have confined past test and indentation failure. So what method we have added here? What method we added? Selenium method. This method does not update here. See, still I can find the old one. So what is the problem? But okay, anyway, we have to check. Another thing is we have updated that add system info, right? Here, see, it will be updated. Okay, what you are provided inside our add system info, those things updated inside this extent report. But what things missed out here? What method we added, that method should not update. It was updated here. So we need to check now. Go back to this class file. Here you can see under past test and under intentional failure method, both method having this start test method, but this start test method is not defined inside Selenium method, right? So with the help of start test only, going to be start the test this method. With the help of this start test method, update those things inside extend report. If you are not defined this method, it won't update it inside extend report. Now I'm going to be copy this one above this first line. Make it first line. So now I provide Selenium method. Okay. So now we have updated StartTest. Again, I'm going to be execute this class file. Let's see whether the Selenium method updated or not inside extend report. Okay. So now again, I'm going to be refresh this one. Open this one. See, now you can find Selenium method. Okay. Come to this defect symbol. Click on here. But here you can see only one defects will be found. But anyway, we have to failed two method. The Selenium method also failed because this get title does not equal to Anthra. It should fail. So in that case, what I'm going to be do? I'm going to be add this throw new exception. Okay, have to add this throw new exception. If it is fail, new exception Selenium method. Have to add throw declaration here. Okay, right now you can run again. Let us see that exception has been updated or not inside extend report. Execution has completed. Again, I'm going to be refresh this one. Double click on. Go to this defect symbol. See, Selenium method. Here you can find Selenium method. So before only one, now you can see the count is 2, right? The 2 method has failed. One is intention failure method. Second one is Selenium method. So this is the way you can interact with the Selenium method using ITestResult interface. Okay. So this is what I explained in this video. You should go through for basic understanding of ITestResult in part 4 video. Then come to enter this part 5 video for understanding the step by step level for beginners. Okay. Thank you guys.